Hey guys, it's Katrina, or Kat Tracy. I know I look awful. I know. I just got back to my apartment. As you can see, I am in my chair, or Liz's chair, because it really is technically her chair. And I'm on Skype, I'm on Facebook, I'm on JetBlue.com, and I'm going to show you, wow, I just moved my neck really fast. Whoa. I'm going to show you what it's like being on the phone in the midst of this insanity called airline travel, in the midst of this blizzardy thing. I would love so much to show you right now what my street looks like. I can't even park on it, but it's dark out and I want to get it in HD, so I'm gonna go do it tomorrow. So here we go, right? This number is 1-800-538-2583. No, that's not my number. That is the airline's phone number, and you'll figure it out. You'll figure it out. A second.
Thank you for calling JetBlue Airways. Para español, por favor, marque el número nueve. We are currently experiencing extremely high call volumes with very long hold times. If you wish to proceed with this call, please choose from the following options. For flight status, press 1. For reservations, press 2. For getaway packages.
Oh, the flights are canceled.
Due to extremely high call volumes, all agents are currently busy. Please stay on the line while we try your call again.
This is not going on my partner
All
channel.
agents are still busy. Please stay on the line while we try to extend your call again. Thank you for calling JetBlue Airways. We are currently experiencing extremely high call volumes with very long hold times.
No cuts.
If you need to book a
No
flight
edits
or
here.
check your real-time flight status, please visit our website at jetblue.com. If you need to speak to a JetBlue representative, please try back at a later time. We are doing the best we can to manage our call volumes at this time. This call will end now, but we look forward to helping you as soon as we can.
I was on hold for a minute. Did you see that? It said if you go back a few seconds, or now maybe 10 seconds or so, the call lasted about a minute and 12 seconds, and nothing got done. Nothing. Please call back at a later time. If you'd like to talk to a representative, please call back later. But I would wait. It says we're experiencing long wait lines, and now I only waited about a minute. So look, JetBlue, I love you. I legitimately think that you're the best airline out there. Awesome, but you're the way that you deal with the phone, not happy. It's not even for me. I don't even have to travel. This is for my love. So just saying. Hope that you guys enjoyed that, and I think I might go take a bath, like a nice hot de-stressing bath, because it looks so awesome, right? Yeah.